Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel. Someone's suggestion, they suggested I do some quick disassembly and cleaning videos of some of my firearms. So I was going to do that. Like all of my weapons, they're all loaded, and this one's no exception. And as with all of my pistols, I usually keep one in the chamber too. So the first thing we're going to do is safely unload this weapon, verify it's empty. The first thing I do is hold it by the handle, keep it pointed in the safe direction, remove the magazine, while holding the slide lock, pull it back and eject the round that's inside. While the slide lock is open, we're going to verify that it is indeed empty, as you can hopefully see with the camera. Guys, I'm using a Verb Ultra action cam. It's really made more for different purposes than close-up, but hopefully you can see that. This is my Beretta M9A1. Some of you know that I just recently got, the most recent purchase. I put the magazine and the extra bullet out of the way. This one's got a couple extra features on it that did not come with a gun. Has a weapon light on the front. As you can see, it's very, very bright. It's a Chinese company, Olight, but I have to say that they really seem to be pretty nice. And then I have a muzzle brake on the end of it from Beretta. It really doesn't serve much purpose other than just that it looks nice. This gun comes with a threaded barrel. I don't have a tax stamp or anything to buy a suppressor, nor currently have the money to spend thousands of dollars for a suppressor when I absolutely don't need one anyway. So this is just something neat. It was $30 online. So now we're going to remove the muzzle brake from the end. Obviously I had it screwed on there real tight. The muzzle brake keeps the unit from being able to be disassembled. I'm going to set that out of the way. Sorry if I'm not in the frame. I'm not used to doing this. And this one disassembles slightly different than the FN. Again, verify it's empty. So close the slide. Reach around the back side. There is a unlock button for the disassembly. And then you simply turn the disassembly lever down. Slide pops forward. The lower receiver is made of aluminum. And it's got this neat finish on it. Part of the M9A3 program. And then we have the upper, which is, as far as I know, it's just plain steel. I don't think it's stainless. I honestly don't know. Further disassemble it, remove the recoil spring and guide rod, which this particular one, the guide rod is made of plastic. This one's got a slightly different barrel than some of the other firearms you may see. It's got the barrel doesn't pivot when it fires. Instead, this mechanism pivots. And I believe, and anybody can correct me if I'm wrong, I believe that originally comes from the CZ pistols. But it's something all the Berettas have that all the 92 base pistols I know of. And then that's what you have. So you have the slide, the barrel, recoil spring, and the lower, which houses your fire control group. Slide catch and release, disassembly, and of course the light, which didn't come with it. This one has a flat mainspring. Well, I call it a mainspring housing. That's from 1911 days, but it's got really thin grips on it, which even though as big as my hands are, it fits me just fine. It has some optional rubber grips too, but choose not to use those. So anyway, I'm not going to go through the whole cleaning process, but I'm just going to wipe it down. Clean your weapons how you want to. Just wipe it down and go from there. Reassembly is just reverse order. Put your barrel in. Make sure it's locked all the way into the slide. Put your recoil spring and guide rod in. Again, this is plastic, or polymer as they call it. Place it all the way in until it catches. At the very bottom. I always like to keep my thumb on it. Put it on the rails. Slide her all the way back and release the takedown. So now we have the unit back together. Again, verify it is empty, no rounds in the chamber. Do a quick function check. Decocker. Put the muzzle brake back on. There are flats you can use a wrench, but I just use an Allen key on one of the holes. It doesn't have to be super tight, but it needs to be fairly snug. Then we just load it back up. Place the magazine back in while keeping it in a safe direction. Usually you don't ride it forward, but I did. Decock it, remove the magazine, place the last round, which is a 17 round magazine double stack, and of course they're a little bit snug. While keeping it in a safe direction, go ahead, put the magazine back in, and that's it. It's in a safe position. Decock, hammer all the way down, put it back where it goes, put it away, keep it locked up, and that's it. Thanks for watching.